Two top contenders in the world of CRM, one critical decision, which platform truly powers your business growth. On one side, Keap, the automation-driven tool built for small businesses. On the other, Insightly, known for its flexible project management and CRM features. We'll compare them in the ways that count, automation, ease of use, integration options, pricing, support, and more. Let's skip the marketing hype and dive into what actually matters for your business. We'll tally up the scores in each category, so by the end, you'll know exactly which one comes out ahead. And the winner might surprise you. Let's get into it. Alright, before we go any further, let's just lay it all out. Here's the mind map of everything we're going to compare: price, features, integrations, ease of use, support, and scalability. So yeah, pretty much everything you care about if you're thinking about one of these for your business. Let's kick things off with price. So Keap, it's not the cheapest ticket in town. There's a free trial, and they do have multiple plans, but you'll notice some features are locked away behind the more premium tiers, which honestly can be a little bit of a bummer if you're just starting out. Now, Insightly, here's where it sneaks ahead. There's a free plan, and per user, it's generally cheaper, at least to get started. But, and this is a big but, as soon as you want the cooler advanced features, that pricing can jump up faster than you expect. Still, for entry-level budgets, Insightly takes this one. Moving on to features, because, hey, what's a CRM if it can't do the flashy stuff? Keap is like, I'm your one-stop shop. You get built-in marketing automation, tons of templates, even invoicing. Super handy if you want everything bundled. It can feel a bit overwhelming that first time you log in, though. On the other hand, Insightly is super solid if you care more about project management. Think pipelines, customizable fields, and a focus on keeping everything organized. But if you want hardcore marketing tools, there's just less natively built in. Still, between the two, Keap really flexes its all-in-one muscles and takes the cake for features. Alright, let's talk integrations. This one's a curveball. Keap gives you a nice spread with marketing apps, but when it comes to project management or some more specialized integrations, it's not as broad. Now, Insightly. Oh, this is their playground. The integration list is massive, and if you're in the Google or Microsoft universe, or even a Slack lover, you're gonna like what you see. Advanced stuff might slip behind a paywall, but honestly, Insightly's ahead for integrations, hands down. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Keap was actually called Infusionsoft until 2019? So if you ever heard someone mention Infusionsoft, yeah, same company. So how easy are these things to use? Keap's interface is surprisingly modern and, once you get the hang of it, intuitive for sales and marketing flows. But, fair warning, setup can give you a bit of a headache if you're not familiar with CRMs. Insightly, on the other hand, super straightforward. People say even new hires can jump in and, get going on day one. There are a few processes that take a couple of extra clicks, but nothing that's gonna scare you off. I'd say, honestly, it's a real neck-and-neck tie here. Support game. Let's get into it. Keap does not mess around. You get 24/7 live chat, there's a full library of support docs, and if you're onboarding, you actually get some hand-holding, which, love or hate it, can make a difference. The catch? Phone support is for higher tier plans only. Now, with Insightly, the help is mostly through email or their user community. There's live chat, but only during business hours, so if you're a late-night problem solver, you might feel a bit left out. Honestly, support is where Keap really pulls ahead. And last but not least, scalability. Keap is kind of the champ for small to medium teams, and that's great if you expect gradual growth. Not the best fit if you're looking for something for your multi-branch empire just yet. Insightly, though, totally different story. It grows right along with you. Adding new users, bumping up permissions, scaling, just feels smoother here. Granted, complex setups might need an admin nerd, but for most teams, Insightly wins on scalability. Let's pull it all together and check out our radar chart. You can really see where each CRM shines. Insightly runs ahead in price, integrations, and scaling, but dang, Keap brings the heat for features and support. So, bottom line, if your team wants an all-in-one powerhouse that handles both sales and marketing, Keap is probably going to be your jam. But if you seriously need advanced project tracking and integrations, especially as you scale up, Insightly deserves a hard look. Alright, was this breakdown useful? Make sure you subscribe so you never miss another CRM face-off. I'll see you in the next one.